divided by the base power, which is simply equal to Z base equals V base squared over S base. And hence it is proved that the line-to-line voltage in per unit is equal to the phase voltage in per unit. It's pretty straightforward, right? Phase systems. So we'll be looking deeper into key point number 2 and key point number 3 in the following derivations. As key point number 2 states, V base is actually line-to-line voltage and S base is actually three-phase power, respectively, for three-phase systems. GeneralPAC.com, making power systems intuitive, open, and free to everyone, everywhere. Consider subscribing and supporting through patreon.com/GeneralPAC. Our corporate sponsor for this topic is AllumiaX.com from Seattle, Washington. Contact them for industrial and commercial power system studies.